I don't know how, but I ended up losing part of the video. This is the aftermath of the plastic. I tested 4 different pieces of plastic. The first was DOS mixed, which was crumbly and not that great. The second piece was also which by the way, the DOS was also the hard plastic, the clear stuff, the solid that I got. The second one was also made from the hard clear PIB plastic that I got, but I used regular oil. And that one worked really well. And then the last 2 were PIB tape mix with oil, and the final one, which was the one of the tape mixes, the deck cap didn't go. And then somehow I discovered that some of my videos got deleted here. So what I'm going to do is I got all of the explosions on the GoPro. I didn't get them all on my cell phone camera here. So I'm going to show those. And then I'll show them in slow motion in order. DOS with the hard plastic, the oil mix with the hard plastic, and then the 2 made from Scapa tape, and the last is a failure. Well, enjoy. Okay, as usual, don't try anything you see here at home. We're going to do some tests. We got the PIB from the solid PIB mixed with oil. We've got some mixed with the DOS. The DOS is kind of a fail. It's crumbly. I didn't realize that the stuff could evaporate, so it's a little crumbly, but it works. And that solid PIB I used with the regular mix is pretty good. Okay, and then I did a extra. And by the way, these are all 10 grams worth of plastic, so 9 grams. And then this was the Scapa tape, which is still, in my opinion, almost the best. And we're going to use 1 gram azide / PETN blasting cap. So there'll be a total of 10 grams of explosives. So we'll start off first with the one that didn't work so well, which was the DOS. It should be recording. Of course, these are bridged too. That's unbridged. I'm sure they'll all perform pretty similar. Like I said, we're doing it on this, facing this way on the side, just so we don't end up with anything flying back toward the cameras. I want to hurry up and do it because it sounds like somebody's coming with a tractor. Ready for this? The first one is DOS. That's DOS. Snip that beam right in half. Gotta put this on it first. Gotta have this or ain't gonna do nothing. Of course, I forgot to wire this up. That's always a mistake. Let me just double check and make absolutely certain that I have the other side bridged, because I don't want no accidents. Double checking just to make sure I'm bridged and unplugged. I hate feeling like I'm in a hurry. Okay, so this is the PIB regular one with oil. Oh yeah, that threw it quite a ways. I got rid of my fire pit. That's no good. The darn fire pit. I don't know about you, and I don't think it's possible, but I think that was a little more powerful than the stuff in the DOS in it. Gaffer tape. And boy, oh boy, isn't this making a mess. I was not expecting it to destroy my fire pit. Might as well put that right behind it too. I'm going to touch these wires together. Yep. No continuity. Or I should say no power. Alright. This is our final test. Final test, that's the tape. Stuff used with the tape. Way out in the garden. Oh yeah, did a pretty good job on it. The extension cord's been bridged. Another 10 grams of plastic. Here we got a bug spray can. Hopefully these cameras are picking all this up here. Bug spray can. I'm going to check this to make sure we got no power to it, although it's bridged. So aren't these. Let's see what it does to this can, shall we? The can. Bye-bye, can. That didn't set it off. That really sucks. It failed to set the plastic off. Oh well, you win some, you lose some.